What's up, boys and girls? I'm DJ Avionyx, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to mix in key. Now what I mean by that is mixing from one song to the next, not just with our beats matched, but with our music melodies matched from one song to the next. That way the melodies don't clash whatsoever. Now you can think of it as going into three different directions. Okay, you can go up one key, you can go down one key, and you can use the opposite letter. So say for instance you're using 9A, you can obviously mix into another song that's 9A, or go into 9B as your next song, or up one key, which would be 10A, or down one key, 8A. So to make things simple for you guys, we're going to be using the Camelot Wheel. Now with the Camelot Wheel you see two circles, an inner circle and an outer circle. The inner circle is all the A keys and the outer circle are all the B keys. Now let's say for example we're going to use 9A again. Okay, you can see that we can go up one key to 10A, we can go down one key to 8A, and we could also go to 9B. Now swap the roles around, we're going to start off with a B key. So let's say 4B. Okay, we could either go 4A, which is the opposite letter, we could also go up one key to 5B, or down one key to 3B. And now I'm going to show you a live example so you can hear it for yourself. Okay, so the current deck we're playing is on deck 2, which is a 9A track, and it is All the Way Up Q Remix by Fat Joe. The song we're going to mix out of is going up one key, 10A, which is Something Just Like This by Chainsmokers and Coldplay, Diablo remix. We're going to be using just the loops alone, which have melodies. You guys hear that? The melodies are matching. So this is All the Way Up melody. Something just like this melody. All the way up. Something just like this. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what it sounds like going from 9A to 8A. We're going to use the same 9A all the way up track, and now we're going to go into an 8A track, Taylor Swift Blank Space Chainsmokers remix. The melodies still somewhat match. So once again, here's All the Way Up by itself, blank space, all the way up, blank space. Now both together again. Okay, so now I'm going to show you going from 9A to 9B and how it sounds. So obviously the same 9A track. The left deck we're going to be using Daft Punk One More Time Electricka Bootleg remix. And this one is in 9B, so we're going from 9A to 9B. All the way up. One more time. All the way up melody. One more time melody. And that is how you mix in key, going out of key, going up one key, down key one, or using the opposite letter, A to B and vice versa, from B to A. So let's say, for example, we'll try another one. We're in 1A. Okay, that's at the very top of the spectrum. The three different directions are obviously 1B. You can go from 1A to 2A, going up one key. 1A down to 12A, going down in one key. Now, I suggest you go through your library and you experiment with all the different tracks. I have a link down below in the description where you can download the Camelot Wheel and print it out. That way you have it there for you to look at. If you have any comments or questions at all about mixing in key, please put them down below. Please give this video a like if it helped you to mix in key. And please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And ring that notifications bell so you can be notified of future uploads. I'm DJ Avionyx. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.